Dear students, in this video, we have to discuss how to draw a BSW thread profile. This figure shows an enlarged sectional view of BSW thread profile. There are different parameters are marked here. We have to discuss each one separately. First one, this time is called marked with the letter H. That means the height between imaginary root and crest is marked with the letter H. Its value is given. That is, height is a constant value into pitch. We know that. What do you mean by pitch? Pitch is the distance between two consecutive crests. That is called pitch. That is given. That is 100 mm. Then we have to find out value of H. That means 0.9604 into pitch. That means pitch is equal to 100. Then put the value of pitch in this equation. We have to get a final value, that is 96.04. That means in between these two lines measure is around 96 millimeter. Now the next term is represented by the letter small h. That means this is the real height of the thread. That is, the real height is marked from bottom root to top crest. That is, crest to root distance is marked with the actual crest to root distance marked with the letter small h. That's value. Its value is also given. That value is also using this. Find out using this formula. That is, h is equal to 0.6403 into pitch. Where pitch is 100 mm, so we have to get 64 mm. 64.03 is the value of h. Now, our real thread profile, crest and the shape of crest and the roots are rounded in shape. Actually, BSW thread profile, crest and roots are rounded in shape. That means it's have a radius. That's radius marked with a alphabet R1. Its value is given, that is 0.1373 into pitch. That is around 13.73. Now, this uppermost imaginary triangle and lowermost imaginary triangles are removed while we are producing this thread. This is not a real one. It is cut off portion. It is cut off portion. That is removed during the processing of threads. That value is also given. That value is h by 6. That is around 16 millimeter. And see, in this side there are 3 diameter are marked here. First one is marked with the letter D. That means a line which is passing through the actual crest of the thread. That diameter is called marked with the letter, that is D. This is the major diameter. Now, same way, a line which is passing through the actual root surface, that is marked with the letter D3. Its diameter is called minor diameter. Now, in between minor and major, there is an imaginary center line passing through the threads. That is called pitch diameter, represented by the letter dp. See, in between two flanks, there is an angle is marked. Its value is 55 degree. That means our BSW thread angle is included thread angle is 55 degrees. So, what is its half angle? Half angle can be find out using this formula. Angle divided, included angle divided by 2. We have to get a value 27 and a half degree. That is the half angle value. By using these parameters and values, we have to draw the BSW thread profile using mini drafter. Now how to draw a thread profile using a mini drafter. First we have to draw the vertical center line keeping the 100 mm distance apart. 100 mm distance apart. That means by using the pitch we have to draw so many vertical lines keeping 100 mm distance apart. First we draw a center line. Similarly, we have to draw 6 or more, 6 or 7 center line using 100 mm distance apart. This is another vertical center line that shows this is our pitch. Now again, third one. Fourth one. Now offset this distance. That means divided this distance in two parts. That means now again mark 50 mm. 50 mm. Through that point, draw another center line. Similarly, we can draw another center line here. Similarly, at here. Now, draw a horizontal line connecting all the bottom of the vertical line. Now, draw another horizontal line parallel to first one, keeping the distance 96.04 millimeter. Suppose set approximately 96. Say this is 96. Draw another horizontal line marked here. Now offset h by 6 from top horizontal line and bottom horizontal line using that value. That means 16 mm apart from top. Draw another horizontal line here. Draw another horizontal line. Same way at the upper portion of the first horizontal line. Draw another parallel. Now set your mini drafter at half of the included angle. That means 27. Set your mini drafter at 27.5 degree. By using that degree, you have to draw an inclined line connecting bottom to top point using an inclined line. Now move the mini drafter to the alternative points here. Now marked another inclined line here. Similarly, we can draw at here. Now reset your mini drafter 27.5 degree in this direction. In this direction. Now connect these 2 points by using inclined line. Similarly, we can draw here. Finally, here. Now take your compass and set your R1 radius in your compass. Using your compass, set your R1 value, which is what is it? 13.73. Now set your compass here and draw a smooth curve here. I cannot draw with this compass, so I am using a freehand line here and at the bottom surface and at the top surface, smooth curve. Similarly, we can draw here, same way here, same way here. What is the radius? Its value is 13.73. Now profile is completed. Now project the freehand line likewise. Now hatch the internal surface area at a 45-degree angle using mini drafter. That mini drafter set at a 45-degree. Draw section line here, keeping 3 mm distance at a 45-degree angle. Show all the sectional lines. Now we have completed our sectional lines inside the thread profile. Now mark all the parameters. This distance is called h by 6. This is h by 6. And this distance is also h by 6. Now what is it? What is this distance? This distance is marked with the letter small h. This is small h, and this should be capital H. This is capital H, and 3 more diameter. This is major dia, that is represented by the letter D. This is minor dia, D3, and an imaginary center line passing in between this real crest and real root. An imaginary center line passing through the midpoint of the H. Its diameter is called pitch diameter. This diameter is called pitch diameter. So this angle is included angle is 55 degree. Half angle is 27.5 degree. So our profile is completed. That means BSW thread profile is a V-shape profile. Actually, its crest and root are rounded in shape. Its angle is 55 degree. Its height is 0.96404 into pitch. Its small depth. That means it's a this small letter h means it's a real depth height. That is given 0.6403 into pitch. And this distance is called h by 6, and this also h by 6. This center line, imaginary center line marked with the notation dp, that means pitch diameter, and the real uppermost diameter is marked with the letter d, that is major diameter, and the real minor diameter is marked with the letter d3. These are the terms associated with our thread profile, BSW thread profile. Its angle is 55 degree. Okay.